Started it. So I came to you few years back, and that time I was going through some anxiety and little bit of depression and all. You told me to make new friends, to talk, to evolve into a lot of hobby things. I started doing it, but there were certain things which I was not able to tell you that time. And since I did not tell you that time, it's been 5 years. I have been practicing those things. Probably the seeds were into it for more than 5 years, but I realized it from last 5 years that these things have become not just my habit, they have become part and parcel of my life. Like, I'll give you an example. I create people, it's like I'm living in a virtual world. I create people around me who do not exist, and I live with them. And for example, now I'm meeting you, you'll become my friend. I'll talk about my dad, I'll talk about my mom, I'll talk about my sister. Similarly, I'll talk about those people who does not exist because for me they exist. And the example of this is I created a character called as Jeshu. The reason why I created that, there was no specific reason I created this character. The time you asked me to make new friends, I did not know how to make new friends. Like, I could have made friends at my college that time, but all my childhood, I was never able to make nice friends. And there was no specific reason for that, also. Not that I was not good to them, I was always good to them. But it's like, you become friends with somebody when you start spending time together. But the only time I spent together with people was the time in the school. And school was all, it was like एक period के बाद दो period के बाद तीसरा period. So I did not get much time to gel up, much time to share my life, much time to share through what I was going on. Another thing was, there were I was always on a fatter side of my scale since my childhood. So, not just at home, not just at school, but even I was kid, some 8, 10 years old. But while walking on the road, there were a lot of people who used to comment. But these things, if you go to the bigger cities like Mumbai, Delhi, you could hear those comments. Yes, I could hear those comments. Those were not imaginary things. The imaginary things started only after 2010 because I started making those characters. That time I could hear all those comments. I could hear, feel what people felt, said about me in school. The treatment I got in my family, like my mom was always after me for every small little thing. It is really very difficult to explain you very small little things, मतलब very pathetic things I'll say, but those things have embarked, मतलब they have made a very strong impact on my brain. Their incidents, it's my parents might not even remember, but those incidents are like I'm living with that for a very long time now. So I was living with it, I was carrying it. But then when I came to my college, for the first time it happened that there was a guy who became my friend, very nice friend, and then we used to talk. We used to talk a lot. So I was quite happy. For the first time, I felt I was actually feeling the happiness. Well, before that, I would say I could not understand the difference between happiness and sadness. I remember an incident once when I was very small. I and almost my complete family was watching Miss India show, Miss World show, and it was the winner, whoever the winner was, she won and she started crying. I asked my dad that why she's crying. Like she has won, why she's crying. The answer what I got was she's crying out of happiness. Till that time, I could not imagine some person to be that happy that somebody can cry out of happiness. Because for me, that stage of happiness, or probably much lesser stage of that happiness, did not exist. शायद it क्या पागल है कोई हर रोज मतलब इतना खुशी में है तो probably when I say this to you or somebody else, this incident would not matter. But for me, it was very difficult to imagine that somebody can be that happy. But then, fine, that guy came into my life. But hardly for 2.5 months, we were together. And that guy used to, I don't know that guy used to like me or not. I still don't know. But we were out for some friend's birthday party. And that time, for me, it was like if a guy is drinking or if a guy is smoking, is a bad guy because we belong from a city that, and we come from a family that for us, somebody who drinks or somebody who smokes is a bad guy. So when we were out for some friend's birthday party, there was another guy who was drunk. I said he's drunk, he's not a good guy. Why we are sitting with that? Finally he said, नहीं नहीं वो पी रहा है तेको क्या problem है? We were sitting there, and they started playing a game of truth and dare. So dare came to that guy who was drunk. Truth came to that guy who was drunk, and उसको ये ट्रूथ बोलने के लिए बोला कि यहाँ पे जितने भी लोग बैठे हैं उनके बारे में if you have to say something which you always wanted to say but you could not say. So then that guy said, just the guy who was with whom I was, उसने उसको बोला कि she's nice, she is good in studies, she has got nice confidence, everything is there. Probably she'll love you also, but then you might get thousand times better girl. Look at yourself and look at her, and just see that with whom you are going around. And he used certain harsh words very badly. Those words still hammer me. Matlab, this incident is some 5 years back incident before I came to you.
What is happening is you are describing incidents.
Huh.
I want what is your problem?
The problem exists in these incidents only. So this, I'm telling you, all this happened. This happened. Then the thing, I was already in an inferiority complex in my childhood thing. This happened, then that inferiority complex became much more bigger. And all my life, still I'm telling you, the words which that guy used and that guy left me, did not talk me. Matlab left me is a very big thing I'm using. Did not talk me after that. ठीक है? I uh, those words still hammer my mind whenever I'm sitting alone. After that, the inferiority complex created a darker side of me, or you can say a dual personality of me. And I wanted to be friends, and I thought that if somebody doesn't like me, they'll not become my friends. And मतलब वो मेरे दिमाग में ऐसा बैठ गया कि अगर मैं अच्छी नहीं दिखती हूँ, कोई मुझसे पसंद नहीं करता है, तो कोई मुझसे दोस्ती नहीं करेगा. So I created a complete virtual world where I portrayed myself as some other girl who was very beautiful, created fake IDs, started talking to people. But since my
This was on Facebook or where?
yeah, this was on Facebook. But it was not that I created a different ID. It was done in the same ID. This my own real ID had other girls' photos also, my photos also. But and the people, the real people were able to see my real pictures, and the online friends were able to see my other pictures. But to be very frank, the real good friends which I've got in my life, I got through online friends only. because after certain time, when it happens with me, it's a cycle. When I start lying with you, after a point I get frustrated. One thing. Second thing, I feel bad because the relationship is not fake. The relationship which I'm developing with the person, whether it be a friendship, whether it be a sister brother relationship, whether it be any relationship, the relationship is not fake. So when I start cheating people on that relationship, I start developing a guilt inside. And that guilt, and since I do not have guts to confess things that I have lied, what I do is I start giving them hint. I start giving them hint key that that they catch me, that I'm doing wrong. And once they catch me, they start hating me. So this has become a cycle, and this thing has become that strong that recently, and I lie for no reason. Matlab, on daily basis, I'll keep telling lies which have there's no reason to lie. Matlab, that has become a practice, and and then when I make real relations also, मतलब जिनको कोई झूठ नहीं बोला है, चलो पहले तो ये था कि झूठ से शुरुआत करी थी मैंने, तो मुझे झूठ बोलना पड़ा, ठीक है, तो मैंने एक झूठ बोला। अब अगर मैंने कोई रियल रिलेशन बनाया है तो उसमें नॉर्मली जो एक रिलेशन में होता है वो सब कुछ मेरे रिलेशन में भी होता है, लेकिन फिर बाद में इट टर्न आउट टू बी अ वेरी डिफरेंट थिंग। लाइक माई रिसेंट रिलेशन, the guy was very nice. He used to trust me like anything. Matlab, if I say this is not moon, this is sun, he'll believe that. He was that good. And
This is not being good.
this is not being good, probably.
This is being stupid.
This is being stupid. Matlab, he says the same thing now. A girl came into my life. He makes fun of me. He makes fool out of me, joke out of me, and goes away. But this is not what I always want. This is not what I wanted to do. Matlab, I was genuinely in relationship with that guy, and I had feelings for that guy. Not that I didn't have feelings for that guy. The guy did the best thing he could have done for me, be it be my career, be it be anything for me. The guy was very genuine. This is what I'm trying to tell you. And when our friendship started, there were no lies. Acha, it's not just me who is doing it. I alone cannot plan all these things. I have a friend called as Sana, who is one girl I think understands me. So when she understands me, she probably somewhere she was wrong. She also started helping me out in executing my lies, you can say, in simple words. But that was wrong. And after a time when I realized that this is wrong, I stopped her. I stopped her doing it.
But she had already taught you some funny things.
Yeah, that she has already taught me some funny things.
Stop
So
doing
the-
all this. That is all. What do you need to? Why do you need
But
to
then
do
I'm not able to stop it. What happens is that whenever I'm alone, the inferiority complex which is in me becomes very strong. Today I've decided I'll not do anything. I'll be strong for 10, 15 days, 1 month. But one incident will happen, something will happen.
This is addiction. This is internet addiction plus all this. So, and because you are depressed, you are doing some wrong things that.
Yeah, I do. And I don't
Call your
want
father,
to
call
do
your
that. Do that, but I keep on doing it. Papa, Papa.
Ankita.
Yeah, एक सेकेंड में बुला के
What is your age now?
27. And whenever I was sad, I used to take the antidepressants which you prescribed
It is
me.
not that way you should do it. How many? So you take it on SOS basis.
Yeah, I take it. Yeah, sometimes on SOS basis, but then that SOS is on a very regular thing. This is what I'm trying to explain you. that I've started lying so much on daily basis. When I lie so much on daily basis, I develop that guilt, I develop that irritation, that when everything is normal, everybody around me is happy. I know that I've lied, that is the reason everybody is happy, but I'm not happy for that.
So lying does not make you happy.
Yeah.
You learned that. Then you should not lie. Stop doing it. Stop doing it. Stay away for some time, some good time. See, the happiness will come from reality somewhere, right? So be real as much as possible.
I
Now,
do that.
now about the habits. We will give you medicine so that it. See, दो चीजें हैं. एक तो क्रॉनिक डिप्रेशन है हल्का सा, उसको तो दबाना ही पड़ेगा अपने को. तो उसकी दवा बंद मत कीजिए, चलने दीजिए. आप समझे ना? Then you will be able to see the classic inferiority complex is a person has feeling of inferiority. Then the person knows that there is a disability. I cannot be beautiful in your case, right? या कोई लंगड़ा होगा तो I can't run. Full stop. There has to be an acceptance of that.
But every
But you
time
don't
when I
have. You still want to be beautiful. No,
no,
you want
I've
to be
accept
beautiful.
every time I accepted this is what I am, and I cannot be. See, it's not that I didn't try to work out, I didn't try to get back into shape, but I failed every time I
That's
tried.
fine. But at one time you will say, okay, I cannot do it.
I cannot, but then people around me, the world around me, including my family, my relatives, they keep on coming and telling me, do this, do that. Falana, Dinka.
Hear it and forget it. You know you cannot. Do you understand?
But that's what I'm that emotionally weak.
A classical inferiority complex is you understand this. When you say, okay, I cannot do it, I will do something, such a great thing that nobody will talk of this, people will talk of something else. Do you understand? What you are trying is, you are trying to lie and get into to prove that this can be corrected.
No, what you are saying, I tried that also. Ask him. I tried, I forgot about what I am. I wanted to be somebody who is known for something else. I started doing hard work for that. I started writing stories.
You may not succeed in the first attempt. You will have to see. One doesn't know exactly where you will get success. But then this should drive you कि नहीं ये नहीं हुआ चलेगा हम कुछ और करें. And that drive makes them superior. Do you understand? People with inferiority complex are people who grow up into big people. Let's do it. Right? चलो कर. बाकी आदत वादत के लिए तो मैं दवा लिख देता हूँ. ये जो क्रॉनिक डिप्रेशन है इसकी दवा बंद नहीं की जाएगी. इसको 1-2 महीना अभी तो रेगुलर मिलाइए, फिर 1-2 महीना में कभी तो, क्योंकि ये इसका कॉम्प्लेक्स जब तक हैंडल नहीं करती है तब तक ये गड़बड़ियां कर सकती है. तो अपन नहीं चाहेंगे, ठीक है ना? तो उसको कोई डिस्कस करने वाला चाहिए. दैट इज कॉल्ड साइकोथेरेपी. शी विल नीड साइकोथेरेपी ऑफ एंड ऑन. ठीक है, डोंट वरी, नथिंग टू क्राई. हो गया जो होना था.
हॉस्पिटलाइज हुई थी, बता दिया.
हाँ, मैं अभी हॉस्पिटलाइज भी थी. ये जो एंटी डिप्रेसेंट्स में लेती हूँ उसके कारण क्या होता है ना, मैं बहुत उसके साइड इफेक्ट्स होते हैं अपने. और
कौन सा ले रही हैं?
मैं ब्यूप्रोइन और एक्सीप्रा. तो उसके कारण हमेशा टायर्ड लेथार्जिक रहती थी. और मतलब क्या और पता है I have started lying to an extent you'll not believe. You'll laugh at me when I think I'll laugh at me. ये सारी problems when I try to tell somebody, I cannot tell. So I tell them some physical problems that मुझे ये है, मुझे वो है, some physical medical problems. I'll create my own characters and I'll talk to them. I'll miss them.
इसमें तो कुछ खास दिया नहीं उन्होंने, है ना?
हाँ, वो मेडिकेशन जो मेरा अभी जब मैं हॉस्पिटलाइज्ड हुई थी वो बंद कर दिया और अभी उन्होंने मुझे बोला है विटामिन B12 के इंजेक्शन लेगा क्योंकि मैं अंदर से बहुत वीक फील कर रही हूँ।
ठीक है, एक एल मिथाइल फोलेट देना, वो मैं दे देता हूँ। ठीक है, ये गोली एक सुबह लेना। दिस इज एन एंटी डिप्रेसेंट, दिस इज नॉट टू बी टेकन ऑन एसओएस बेसिस. नो एंटी डिप्रेसेंट वर्क्स ऑन एसओएस बेसिस. देयर हैज टू बी अ लेवल, at that level 2 weeks the response comes. So तुमने बंद कर दिया गया था,
नहीं, मैं
फिर चालू
ऑलमोस्ट
किया तो
डेली
इसका कुछ
बेसिस पे ब्यूप्रोइन रेक्सिप्रा में ऑलमोस्ट डेली बेसिस पे लेती थी।
नहीं तो वैसे ही लेना पड़ेगा. यू डू अंडरस्टैंड? अभी हम दो नहीं, अभी एक ही दवा को फुल डोज पे ले जाते हैं, फिर लगेगा तो ब्यूप्रोन ऐड करेंगे. दिस इज एसिटालोप्राम 20 मिलीग्राम्स. दैट इज ऑल आई वांट राइट नाउ. पर बिल्कुल रेगुलर लो, 4 हफ्ते मुझे दिखाओ.
अच्छा, मैं बॉम्बे में रहती हूँ.
फिर कैसे करेंगे?
आई कैन ऑलवेज कॉल यू एंड टॉक अबाउट इट.
लेट्स सी.
मैं देखूंगा, मैं आ जाऊंगा.
I can always call you and talk the conditions through what, because it's always the talking and consulting things. Like I come here and talk or I talk from Bombay. I don't think it will make much difference. And then whatever you'll prescribe, you can WhatsApp me or probably he can come and he can take the prescription and WhatsApp me.
चलिए चालू करते हैं, है ना? एक महीने में आई वुड लाइक टू सी व्हाट इज द रिस्पॉन्स, राइट?
ये मॉर्निंग में देनी है,
दोनों मॉर्निंग में देनी है,
बिना कुछ खाए,
थोड़ा सा कुछ खा के.
This will make me more lethargic or something.
No, I don't think. Some people yawn. A lot of yawning कर
दोनों
तो रात को
बंद
ले
होते हैं
सकते हैं. हाँ, एक तो एल मिथाइल फोलेट है विच इज अ विटामिन.
Okay.
उससे कुछ खास नहीं होता, थोड़ी सी पेशाब पीली हो सकती है, अदरवाइज नथिंग. दूसरी जो है उससे यॉर्निंग में भी a little problem. देयर में भी लिटिल अपसेट, पेट तेज चलता है, गुड़ गुड़ करता है.
हाँ, वो मेरा अभी भी रहता है, तो probably it is because of Bupropion and Rexipra. Irregular motion.
रेगुलर लेते हैं तो ठीक हो जाता है.
Okay.
है ना? वो चालू करते हैं तब होता है, देन पेट ठीक हो जाता है.
क्योंकि वो 2 दवाइयां मैं लेती थी ना, मुझे उससे इतना पेन होता था ना, दिन भर मुझे उठने का मन नहीं होता था. एंड सामने वाले को लगता था आई एम मेकिंग फूल दैट आई एम इल और समथिंग, बट इट वाज नॉट लाइक दैट. मतलब you'll not believe my hands, my legs, my head used to pain like anything.
यूट्रोपियन से होता है तो बंद करना है ना उससे दवा.
हाँ, इसलिए. पर मेरे पास
अपने मन
आपका
से-
वो प्रिस्क्रिप्शन था और ये ड्रग्स मुझे बिना प्रिस्क्रिप्शन के मिलते नहीं थे. तो जो भी इंजेक्शंस आपने एंटी डिप्रेशन इंजेक्शंस और एंटी डिप्रेशन टैबलेट्स लिखे थे वो मैं लेती रहती थी.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं.
दोनों होता है.
यू आर नॉट अ डॉक्टर एंड
हाँ, पता नहीं.
ठीक है, चलो ये करते हैं.